Hi my loves, welcome back to the channel. This tutorial is going to be on how to make this hairstyle, which the technique is a slight variation from this one I made, but they are all African threading hair. We're using Brazilian wool. So for most of the hairstyles we use between 2 to 3. For both this one and the one I made on a little girl, we use between 2 to 3 hair extent Brazilian wool, and this is how we cut it. You measure the length you want and then straighten it out. When she's done, she's going to snip the hair at the both ends, so half of the length you see is going to be the length of the hair of the wool when she starts using it. So the very first thing you're going to do is to separate the hair into those boxes that you want to use to make the threading. So just go ahead and make all the boxes, the partitions. If you're a beginner, it really helps to like lay down the hair and then use rubber band to secure it. Another bonus is to twist it. So you make the box, lay it down, use a rubber band to hold it, then twist it. That way everything is going to be like, you can see how many sections you have. You see in your mind how you're going to crisscross or join them together, and it is going to make it so much 200% easier. The two different techniques here are when like you thread the individual boxes, all of them, thread all of them from beginning to end. Like when you're done with that first stage, all the boxes are threaded straight, and then you start crisscrossing and added them. This is if you want a fuller, more bulky look. And the hairs, you're going to use a lot more Brazilian wool, and because you're threading each hair from beginning to end, like getting the complete length like this one, like the one she has done already, when you do all the boxes like this before joining them, you're going to have more bulk. Unlike the other one I made for the little girl, I will thread it until it gets to the next box I want to crisscross. Then I would include the hair and then thread them together. Once it gets to the next box, I stop, add it to the next box and thread. So you may be threading 3 inches between each, 3 inches you thread, join 3 inches. Or like this one, when you have to maybe thread about 8 7 inches individually all the way. I hope you understand what I mean. If you don't, just finish watching this video, watch the other one, you will see the two variation in the techniques. And what else do I need to tell you? So if your client has very thin hair and you want the thread to be thicker, you're going to just add, you see the way she has Brazilian wool inside of her hand before threading it, so you're going to add more bulk and then use fewer strands to thread the hair. So the threaded part is going to be thick. Yeah. And if the person has very thick hair that is going to provide all the volume you need, you use less Brazilian hair and just wrap, you understand? So I don't think there's any other thing. Oh God, guys, the most challenging part of this hair is how to thread the bulk of the hair at the back or at the front, wherever you're gathering the hair. When you've moved all of them towards one direction, in this case it was the back, how you're going to like thread the whole hair together to make that beautiful African pattern. Oh God, just that threaded um pattern that is like roots, like the roots of a tree. Just that part, that's where it's most confusing, especially when you're about to round it up. So stay tuned to the end of this video so that you will not miss that part. If you do not skip the ads on the video, you're helping us make money, and sincerely God bless you from the bottom of our hearts. And don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like it, or leave a comment. Is there a way you know where this thing is made differently? I would really like to explore threading, and at a point I want to be making the regular braid designs I make, like butterfly with threading, hearts with threading, like just explore more with this African threading hairstyle and just make it more like explore, mix recent designs with the techniques that we've always had, just something like that. So if you have any ideas, let me know. I am so eager and very interested in trying things out. So enjoy and stay tuned to the end so that you won't miss anything.